maintenance. So at first I am giving an introduction to the subject maintenance. Nowadays the word maintenance is very familiar to the everybody, especially men of industrial field, as it has got very important role in industrial productivity and development. Maintenance is not only a term as we use here and there for a few engineering works, but it is an important engineering activities like other of research, development, design and procedure. So coming to the first point, research. In research we deals with new ideas, theory and technical. Next, development. Development is exploration of new materials and processes. Next, design, that is preparation of drawing and specification machines and equipments. Number 4, construction or production, that is manufacturing of machines and equipments. Next and final, that is the maintenance, that is day to day upkeep of tools, machines, equipment, etc. in good condition for their efficient operation. So what is maintenance? Maintenance is a corporation function directed toward upkeep and repair of all the part, machinery, equipment so that they continue to operate accurately, efficiently and safely as long as possible with minimum overall cost per unit, practices which do not allow operation to break down due to equipment failure. If we classify machine maintenance, then we get 4 types of machine maintenance. That is number 1, preventive maintenance, number 2, corrective maintenance, number 3, maintenance prevention, or number 2 and number 4, breakdown maintenance. Next, come to the first point, that is the routine maintenance. So routine maintenance is one of the most important maintenance activities, like preventive maintenance in the plant or a factory to keep up the tools, machines and equipment, etc. in good condition for their efficient function. This system of maintenance functions involve the maintenance work such as general cleaning, general lubrication, general checking, minor adjustment or minor repairing, etc. for the tools and machines and equipments regularly. Next is preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is a technique to minimize the equipment breakdown both in number and extent. There are mainly 2 branches of preventive maintenance, that is planning and scheduling, and number 2, documentation of engineering records. Next, coming to the breakdown maintenance. It is a system of maintenance procedure to attend and repairing the faults in machines and equipments whenever it occurs as an emergency attention. This may be applicable in the case of running machines only. And the classification of corrective maintenance is further classified as engineering analysis, modification and standardization. So that's a short note regarding maintenance.